Let us try to learn the use of pointer to the pointer in C language. Here we have the actual variable v with the value 100 and address 2004, and this address is assigned to the pointer 1, and this 2004 is nothing but the address of variable v, and 4008 is the address of pointer 1 that is assigned to the pointer 2. So this 4008 is assigned over pointer 2, and 8004 is the address of pointer 2, and pointer to pointer to the variable v has been gone through the pointer 2 to the pointer 1, and from pointer 1 to the variable v. So we are just having the address 4008, that is nothing but the address of the pointer 1 and accessing from pointer 2. Let us see with the help of example, and we will see what if we are trying to create the pointer to the pointer and trying to access the variable value. So this double star pointer 2 is simply used to store the address of single star pointer 1, and we have the variable n with value 10. So p1 equals to ampersand n. We are storing the address of variable n to the pointer p1, and to the pointer 2 we are assigning the address of pointer 1. So pointer 2 is having the address of pointer 1, and pointer 1 is having the address of variable n. So indirectly we can access the variable n with the help of pointer 2. Let me just try to print the values. Let me try to print the value of n as well as the address of the variable n. Now let me print the address stored in p1, and the address of p1 is %x. So we are just try to print the stored address as well as its own address. Here we have to give P1, and for address we have to write ampersand P1. And the address stored in P2 is %x, and the address of P2 is %x. Here we can give P2, comma, ampersand P2. So you can see the value of n is 10, and the address is FFF4, and the address stored in P1 is FFF4, and P1 address is FFF2, and the address stored in P2 is FFF2, and address of P2 is FFF0. Now let me access the value of variable n using P1. So we have to use star P1 to access the value. You can see we are able to access the value using star P1, and when we are trying to access the same value using P2, then what we have to do, we have to give double star P2. Let me also print some more details. Let's say value stored in star P2 is %x, that is nothing but the address. So you can see when we are accessing value of n using P1, it is printing the value, and value stored in star P2 is FFF4. That is nothing but the address of variable n1, and we can access the value via double star P2, and we are able to access the value of variable n. So star P2 means FFF4. And also when we say star P1, it is printing the value of the variable n1, and for star P2 is having the value of pointer P1. and value of pointer p1 is nothing but the address of the variable n. So indirectly we can say star p1 means the value of n, and star p2 means the value of p1, that is the address of n. So when we say star p2, we means triple F4. So star triple F4 simply means star p2. So star triple F4 simply give the value of variable n. So that's how the pointer to the pointer works. Thank you so much.